Which one?
Second one is 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. And the last one is cot square theta plus 1 equals to cosec square theta.
Okay, fine. You wanted one sum, last time you had told me one sum to redo. Now, did I do it again?
No, you didn't, but then I asked the school teacher, so the school teacher did it.
Did it? Okay. Which one it was?
It was the fourth one. F5 sec theta. Yeah.
Okay, this one. Okay. And the 11th one we did, right?
School has gone to, the school has gone to exercise 6.2, and in algebra they have started, I told you last time also
Quadratic
they started,
equation.
in algebra they started with quadratic, and they've completed practice at 2.2 also.
Okay. After this, we
And
will also start with quadratic equation.
And in the sixth chapter, the school, like the chapter which we're doing right now, the school is started with, instead of starting with problem set 6.2, they went, instead of starting with practice set 6.2, they went to problem set 6. And except the word problems, all the sums they did.
Okay, so they are not doing word problems, I think, because last time also word problems was omitted. So it was deleted, word problems. So I think they are following that pattern only. Coordinate geometry is done, right, in your school?
Yeah, I mean for homework, like the teacher has to just do problem set 6, 9th and 10th, and then maybe she'll start with word.
Okay, did they do slope for concept of slope in coordinate geometry, because that was also
No, they did
deleted.
not. They
Did not do. Okay, so I think they are not doing the deleted portion, but that
But it
was
is just one formula. It is not much.
yes,
Word problems
yes,
are much. That
yes,
one formula is nothing.
yeah. Okay, we'll do the 10 sum. The last sum of this exercise. That is
11, 12? What about
yeah,
11, 12?
11th one we did, right, that day. 11th one, this one.
We did 10 and 11.
Yes, so now we'll do the 12th one. Okay, so in this sum, in the 12th sum, the right hand side is much complicated and it's much bigger. So we'll start using the right hand side, and from the right hand side we'll make it equal to the left hand side. So take the right hand side. RHS is equal to tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Okay, now from this right hand side, we'll do some simplification and try to prove it, or try to bring the left hand side. That is tan theta upon sec theta minus 1. Okay, now here, what we'll do is we will rationalize the denominator. Okay, we'll do rationalizing the denominator. So in the denominator, sec tan theta plus sec theta will take as one term, and this one, number one, will take it as another term. So I hope you remember what do we do in the rationalization. In rationalization, we
multiply the denominator but in different signs.
Yes, we change the sign. So first I'll
Opposite
write,
signs.
yeah, so I'll write this first as it is. So this will become tan theta
Why did we
plus,
put tan square theta plus sec square theta in a bracket and then minus and then 1 in a bracket?
because I want tan and sec together. I want this together. So that is why I'm keeping this as one bracket and this one as separately. Because once I, this thing, multiply, once you do the multiplication, then tan and sec at some point of time, it will get cancelled later on. So let's do, so tan theta plus sec theta plus 1. Okay, so that's why I took this as 1 and upon the same thing. Tan theta plus sec theta plus 1. This is by rationalizing. Is it clear up to here?
Yes.
Okay. Now you multiply the numerator with this part and you multiply the denominators. So if you see the numerator, this will become as tan theta plus sec theta plus 1, the whole bracket square. Okay, because they are the same terms. Both of them are the same thing. So I have written it as whole bracket square. And the denominator, if you see carefully the denominator, this is a minus b. Then you take this entire term to be a. So it becomes a minus b. And here it becomes a plus b.
A square minus b square.
Correct. A square minus b square. So that would become a is tan theta plus sec theta. So a square minus b square. B is 1 and 1 square is 1. Is it clear up to here?
Yes, I'll just come in 1 minute. Just one.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, I want you to write the sum up to here. Up to here, write the sum. Understand
B
and write.
square, no? So 1 square.
Yes, and 1 square is?
No, but what
What?
do you write 1 square? Because you did not solve tan theta plus sec theta square. So why would you solve 1 square?
Because this is a trigonometric function, while this is just a number. So we can just write it as 1 because we know 1 square is 1. Or if it's okay if you want to, if you don't write it, just that one step will increase of yours.
Okay. No, then let's write one only instead of four.
Yeah.
I just had a question. In the second thing, when you divided, like when you separated tan theta plus sec theta in one bracket and minus one in one bracket, then in the numerator, why didn't you do that?
Because we are rationalizing the denominator. We are not doing anything for the numerator.
Okay. In the last step, how did it become sec 0? It
It
should
is. It
be
is.
because theta will
It
remain
is
theta
not.
only.
Yeah, yeah. It is not 0. It is theta only. It is sec theta.
Oh. Yeah, done.
Okay. Now, look. Uh, we'll solve the numerator separate because the solving will be a little complicated. So I'll just solve the numerator separately. And then I'll just substitute it so that you may understand. You can solve it on that only, but just that it should not become confusion. So I'll just solve it. You should not get confused. So I'll solve it separately. So in the numerator, I'll solve it here. In the numerator, you have tan theta plus sec theta plus 1 the whole square. Okay, this is just the numerator. Now, the numerator, I just want you to take this to be A and take this 1 to be B. So if you see carefully, this will become A plus B, the whole bracket square. What is the formula of A plus B whole bracket square?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
A square plus 2ab plus b square. Now I will expand this using this formula. So A is...
Is there no other way to do this sum? Because first you find out that by a minus b, a plus b, then you find this by a plus b, the whole bracket square. And again you have to do the same thing for the denominator. So
Yes,
is there
yeah.
no other way to solve it?
That way would be much more lengthier. So you will have to, replace
So this is
tan
the
by,
shortest.
yes, yes. You will have to replace tan by sine upon cos, then do sec as 1 upon cos, then do cross multiplication, and then again a lot of rearrangement in that method.
Okay.
So this is the most smallest, I think, I guess. Okay, so A is tan theta plus sec theta and B is 1. So let's use this formula and expand it. So you'll have A square, that is tan theta plus sec theta square plus 2A, that is tan theta plus sec theta into B, that is 1, plus B square, that is 1 square. Did you understand this?
Yes, you can cancel tan plus sec theta and tan plus sec theta.
No, here
Or
we
you
cannot,
can't.
you cannot, because see, this is tan theta plus sec theta whole bracket square. And there is a plus sign here. That's why you cannot cancel. Now, here at this point here, again, this is of the form A plus B whole bracket square again. So you have to use the formula again at this point of time. So A square, that is tan square theta plus 2AB. So it becomes 2 tan theta sec theta plus B square, that is sec square theta. And this 2, so this is all of from this bracket. Now here, this 2 you multiply inside the bracket. So you'll have 2 tan theta plus 2 sec theta. And this 1 square
It
is
can't be
1.
square. It
Where,
will not be square. It will be
where,
2 tan theta plus 2 sec theta.
yes, you're multiplying the 2 inside the bracket. Now, so 2 into tan theta, 2 tan theta, plus 2 into sec theta, 2 sec theta. Is this
Okay.
step clear? No,
Yes.
I hope no confusions.
Mm.
Okay. Now, next what we'll do is just little bit of rearranging we'll do. So I'll write this tan square as it is. Tan square theta. Then next I'll just write this sec square theta. So plus sec square theta. I'm just
This is like
rearranging.
polynomials thing, is it?
Yes,
The
yes.
same degree together and
Yeah,
like that?
yes. So I'm just rearranging in decreasing order of powers.
Yeah.
You can do that. One more thing.
What? I can't hear you.
Yeah. I'm just looking at it. Or instead of that, one other way we can do is we can bring this tan square theta and this last, that is plus 1. We can bring it together. So when you write this together, it will become 1 plus or tan square theta plus 1 or 1 plus tan square theta. And then we can
Is equal to sec square theta.
yes, that is equal to sec square theta. So I'll just write that together then. First tan square theta and then
So what
this
will happen if you do
plus
that?
1. So
Everywhere where there is sec theta, that will get cancelled.
it will not get cancelled. It will get added because the sign is same. So this will become sec square theta, and here you see we have this sec square theta. So we can add it. So plus
I did
2.
not understand what you think.
Yes, I'll show it to you. So remaining, I'll just write it as it is 2 tan theta sec theta plus sec square theta plus 2 tan theta plus 2. I'm just writing the remaining terms as it is. I'm just writing the remaining term as it is. Now, here
So then why
use
didn't you write sec square theta first?
this. I am not doing the rearrangement yet. Not doing the rearrangement yet.
Then what are you doing? Hide it under this.
See, I in this step, I have just taken tan square theta and this last plus 1 together. That's it. And the
So you just
rest all,
rearranged it.
yes. And the rest
Oh,
all terms are as it is. Only tan square theta and plus 1 I have taken it together.
okay.
Because tan square theta plus 1 will give me sec square theta. Correct?
Yeah.
Now I'll write the sec square theta with it plus sec square theta. Now rest all I'm
2
writing.
tan theta into
Yes.
sec theta and 2 tan theta into 2 sec theta.
Correct. 2 tan theta sec theta
Uh,
plus
just go up. Existed for a minute. 2 tan theta into sec theta, wouldn't that be into 2 sec theta?
here.
Yeah.
No, here we are using this formula here, na? A plus B the whole bracket square. So it becomes A square plus 2AB. So it is A into B. So tan theta into sec theta plus
Okay.
sec square theta. That is B square.
Yeah. Okay.
Plus 2 tan theta plus 2 sec theta. Okay, I want you to write up to here. So I don't want confusions.
This was just the tan
New
theta plus sec theta square minus 1,
the
the
numerator. It's just the
denominator, no?
no, this is the numerator. See, tan theta plus sec theta
Oh,
plus
yeah.
1, the
Oh,
whole
yeah.
bracket square. This is just the numerator. So understand each step and write it up to here. If you have any doubts up to here, then ask me.
Okay.
Carefully identify all the steps, understand them, carefully write it. Okay, it's too much, it's too lengthy. So that's why do it slowly.
Also, Renuka Miss cancelled her this Sunday test and she's kept it on next Sunday. So this weekend I don't have any test from her side.
Okay.
I have an English test on Saturday. So and I have Renukam's class also. So two things I have on Saturday. And I
Saturday.
have a Sanskrit test also. So Saturday is fully booked. Sunday, if you want, you can keep a test. If you
Okay.
want.
Let's see, we'll decide.
Done.
Okay. Let's continue with this one. I hope there is no confusion up to this step. Is it clear? Absolutely clear up to this step?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now, here after this step, here we can add this.
Your voice is breaking a bit.
How about now? Is it still breaking?
Yeah. I can hear, I can understand what you're saying, but it's breaking a bit.
Okay.
1 second, I'll just check.
Yeah.
Yeah. Now try and say something.
Yeah. Yes. So can you hear me clearly now? Is it still breaking?
It is still breaking. It's okay. I can understand what you're saying, but it's breaking. Maybe the thing is on my side only because before I connected also I was having a problem in connecting.
Okay. So in this next step, we will add sec square theta and the sec square theta. So sec square theta plus sec square theta will give you 2 sec square theta. Okay.
Plus
So
2 tan. One
yeah.
second. So then,
Yes.
yeah.
Say
So then 2 sec theta also we can add to that. So it'll become 3 sec. No, sorry.
no. This is square while this doesn't have square. That's why you cannot add.
So even if we add it, what will become? What will happen?
No, you cannot add only. You will not able to add because this has square. This is sec square theta and this doesn't have square. So it's not possible to add. The powers are
Okay.
different. If the powers are
Okay.
same, then you could have added it. But powers are different, so you cannot add.
Okay.
So 2 tan theta sec theta plus 2 tan theta plus 2
So we can add
sec
2 tan theta and 2 tan theta, right? That'll become what? 4
no,
tan theta?
no. This, look carefully. This you cannot add because this is all together. This is tan and sec is there. While this is just tan. This is just tan. So you cannot
Okay.
add these two. But what you can do is you can look into this term and look into this term. Okay. In this first two terms, what can you see common? Okay. What is common between this and this?
2 and theta.
2 and
Theta.
uh,
And even sec.
not theta, sec theta,
Sec theta.
sec theta. So
No, but
you,
this is sec theta and that is sec square theta.
yes, but this sec square is nothing but sec theta into sec theta,
Okay.
correct? So sec theta is common in both. 2 and sec theta is common. So you take out sec theta common outside and inside the bracket. Now from here, 1 sec theta went out. So inside the bracket, you'll be left with 1 sec theta plus. Now, and in this term, 2 went out and sec theta went out. You're left with just tan theta. So this becomes sec theta plus tan theta. Have you understood this step? I've just taken 2 sec theta common outside.
So I've understood.
Okay. Now, in this next term, in this, what you can see common between this and this?
2
Yeah,
and
no,
theta.
only two. Only two.
Only 2.
Only two is common. And then inside we'll take tan theta plus sec theta. Okay. Now,
Hello, I can't see your screen.
cannot see?
And even your video is blank.
Can you see me now?
Are you talking?
Yes. Can you see?
I can see your screen, but it's not moving. It's not.
I have stopped the shared
Hello.
screen.
Hello. Your screen share just says that Jerry Fernandez is screen sharing and it is frozen.
Can you hear me, but can you hear me?
Ah, yes, yes, I can hear you.
You can
Yes.
hear me, right? Okay, I'll just share the
Yeah, but your
screen.
screen share is
Yeah,
just blank.
I stopped the screen share. I'll
No,
start
but
it
I can
again.
see your screen share.
You can see? Oh, I have stopped it actually.
I can see your screen share, but it's blank. Like it's just black and it's just written that he's screen sharing.
Okay. One thing you do, can you leave and rejoin?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'll share my screen. Just tell me if you can see it.
Actually, it's telling me that my network connection is unstable, and I think
Okay.
it is.
Can you see the screen? But is it visible?
Yeah, it's telling me Jerry Fernandez is screen sharing. I'm just waiting for it to. Yeah, I can see.
You can see, na? Okay, I'll just write something. Just tell me if you can see if I'm writing. Yes?
Yeah, right?
Yeah, I am writing. I am writing. Can you see anything?
Actually, it's. No, I can't see anything. I can just see that you've come till 2 sec theta, that one. You've come till. Hello?
Yes, yes. Okay, can you see now?
Yeah, I can see your scribbling.
Hmm.
Yeah, sec square theta you just wrote. Yeah, I can
Okay,
see.
I
You're
think
right.
there is a lag. There is a lag.
No, I can see. I can see your writing.
Because
The
I stopped.
question mark and that.
Yeah, I stopped writing actually long back.
But I can see your writing. I can literally see you writing right now. Then how?
I am not writing anything. There is a lag. It's lagging.
Yeah, now you stopped and
Yeah.
you now you're taking it to the left.
Okay. So can you see 2 sec theta? Sec in the bracket
No,
sec.
I can see the start of the sum. The start of the sum. You took it to the start.
Yeah, I had taken it to the start, but it was a while ago. I think there's a problem in the screen share. 1 minute.
Yeah, you can just stop screen share. You can stop screen share and screen share again.
Yeah, I
Can you hear
stopped.
me?
Yes, I can. I stopped the screen share.
I can see your screen. What do I do?
I
This
want you to
meeting is recorded. By continuing to be in this meeting,
continue,
you are consistent.
continue. Click on continue. Okay, write the
Okay.
sum up to here, up to this step. After this, one more step we have to do.
The sum is over.
No, not yet. It's like we have just started with the sum.
If we have to do the denominators also
Yes, we
like
have to do
this.
the denominator also. And then some more simplification has to be done.
Such a big sum will come.
It can come. It can.
It has come before and then.
No, it
Okay.
has not come. It can come as a 4 marks sum. But usually
Just
4,
till the denominator and numerator fraction.
yes.
After that, nothing like that. But why will
I
that come from?
No, I said it can come as a 4 marks sum, 4 marks. But usually, as far as they have not changed the pattern. So if the pattern is the same, then
Even
maximum.
our school has told us the same thing that if this year also mensuration is cut off, so they've kept mensuration for the end of the year.
Hmm,
They're going to
hmm,
teach mensuration just before the boards in case if
hmm.
they come.
Yeah, but I don't think it will be anything will be deleted. I doubt that.
Because our school is not teaching us slope, is not teaching
Yes.
us the word problems, and in even in science, like even though Renuka Miss has told me that they are not teaching some paragraphs.
Hmm,
Some paragraphs they're just skipping like that only, and those are like important ones.
hmm.
But still
Yes.
they're not
Yeah.
teaching.
They may teach later on when the news comes that it is not deleted, because I doubt it will be deleted next time also, because there's plenty of time for your boards. Almost 7 to 8 months are remaining.
Yeah.
One more thing to be done here, in this we can see 2 is common. 2 sec theta plus 2. So from here, just take 2 common outside the bracket. So I'll just
Okay,
take
I'll
it.
do that.
Yes.
Yeah, so if I take it out, then it'll become 2 sec theta and tan plus tan theta and sec square in the other bracket.
Sec theta plus 1, not sec square.
Sorry, sec theta. Why
Okay.
plus 1?
We took 2 common, right? You see? So from here, 2 went outside, so 1 remained, right?
No. Yeah, done.
Show me the way you
I
have written. Can you just show me the book? Okay, perfect. Fine. So this is just the numerator. So I'll just write here numerator, n. Now let's go for the denominator.
Should I also write n? No.
Yes, right. So denominator is tan theta plus sec theta whole bracket square minus 1. So I'll just rewrite this here at the side. So the denominator is tan theta plus sec theta.
How many lines do I leave to write
Whole,
this? Because I'll have to leave lines, right? So to know that it is the denominator's part started.
no, I didn't understand.
I've written till the n, correct? So
Yeah,
then how many lines should I leave to start this, what you're writing?
leave two to three lines. Leave two enough. 2 lines is enough.
Okay.
Okay. Now, okay, first understand this. This was easy now. Now here, if you see tan theta plus sec theta whole bracket square, so use here a plus b whole bracket square and expand this. So this will become a square. That will be tan square theta plus 2a, that is tan theta, into b, that is sec theta, plus b square. So that is sec square theta. So this is a and this is b. So this I've used the formula and expanded and I got this. And this minus 1, write it as it is. Is this clear? Is it clear what I did, the expansion?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now what you do is,
A plus b whole bracket square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. You did not write that.
yes, a plus b whole bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now what you do is just write this tan square theta and this.
I just have one doubt.
Yeah.
In the
Say us.
sum, in the sum,
Yes.
we couldn't have cross multiplied in the first place.
Cross multiplied what?
Tan theta into tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 and sec theta minus 1 into tan theta plus sec theta plus 1. The
Okay.
question.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. So okay. Yeah, we can do that, but I think still it would become much lengthy.
But I don't know how we would get LHS or RHS from that. We
We
would
can.
directly get LHS
No, we can try.
equals to R.
We can
Okay, we'll
try.
do that later.
Yeah.
But would that be shorter than all of this?
I don't know. I think I'll have to try that. I'll have to work it out and see. It may be shorter.
But it is possible to do that.
Yes,
Right?
it is possible. It is possible to do that. Cross multiplication.
So you will get LHS is equal to RHS directly, or you will get an LHS and you have to do it to RHS.
No, we'll have to do it. Little bit simplification will has to be done to bring LHS equal to RHS after doing the cross multiplication also. I think that should work. I will work it out. I will solve it and let's see. We'll do it in the next class. So, but first we'll do the normal method. Okay. Which is this? Can you tell me the second identity?
1 plus cot square equals to
Second,
cosec square.
second one.
Tan square 1.
Yeah.
Okay, tan square theta plus 1 equals to sec square theta.
Is equal to sec square theta. Now, if you take this plus 1 on the other side, this will become tan square
I
theta
understood. So
is
this will become tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta plus 1. Sorry, plus tan square theta.
Yes.
So it will become 2 tan square theta.
Correct. Absolutely right. So 2 tan theta sec theta plus this became tan square theta. Now we just have to add these two. And tan square theta plus tan square theta will give you 2 tan square theta plus 2 this thing as it is. 2 tan theta sec theta. Now, what can you see common in this term and in this term? What is common?
2 tan.
Correct. 2 tan theta is common. So
So
inside
now
the
you can
bracket,
take out theta. Earlier you could not take out theta.
no, we took out theta, tan theta, not just theta, tan theta.
Okay.
So here you'll have tan theta plus sec theta inside the bracket. And now this is my denominator. Is it clear?
One second, 1 second. From 2 tan square theta plus 2 tan theta sec theta, the whole thing we took 2 tan theta outside, or only the first 2 tan theta tan thetas? Tan square theta and tan square.
From here 2 tan theta, and from here 2 tan theta outside. So here 1 tan theta
Oh.
remained, that
No,
is
I was
here.
asking whether we took from the entire line we took.
From this
Oh,
entire, yes, from this
yeah, okay,
entire.
okay.
Okay, I want you to write this. And now this is the denominator.
Yeah, done.
Okay, this sum is still a little bit lengthy. We are not done yet. Now we will we'll do this division, numerator and denominator. So
So 2 in the bracket sec theta plus tan theta, second bracket sec theta plus tan theta.
2
sec theta plus tan theta
plus tan
different bracket sec theta plus 1
sec theta plus 1, and in the denominator
upon 2 tan theta. No,
2
no. 2 tan theta is together, not in a bracket. 2 tan theta. 2 tan theta. And in the bracket, tan theta plus sec theta. Tan theta
tan
plus
theta
sec theta.
plus sec theta. Now, can you see something getting cancelled?
What?
Firstly,
How?
what is firstly 2. The 2
But
from the
how?
numerator. 2
But that
from
is
the
only 2 and that is 2 tan theta, right? So it is tan theta.
it is into. So we can cancel 2 from the numerator and the denominator. Just 2.
So tan and theta is not into.
No, that is together. Tan theta is together. It's one thing. It is not different thing.
Okay.
Tan theta, this is together. For example, if tan is 45, if your theta, your angle is 45, then this becomes tan 45. So this is together. You cannot separate theta from the ratio tan or sine or whatever.
Okay.
Okay, so don't think of theta as a separate thing. Theta is the same. And
Yeah.
this bracket, sec theta plus tan theta, and the bracket in the denominator, sec tan theta plus sec theta, both are the same.
Yeah.
So that also
Yeah.
gets cancelled off.
So then you only sec theta plus 1 upon.
Yes, you have sec theta plus 1 upon
But our LHS
tan
is
theta.
tan
Yeah.
theta upon sec theta minus 1.
Yes, so that means we have to do some simplification here has to be done. Okay, and the simplification is you take the rationalizing, but here you now rationalize the numerator, not the denominator, because the only possible thing to rationalize is the numerator. So you have sec theta plus 1 upon tan theta, and you will multiply it with, can you tell me? Multiply it with?
Tan theta upon tan.
No, you rationalize the numerator.
Acha, okay. So then sec theta minus 1 upon sec theta minus 1.
Yes, upon sec theta minus 1.
So then sec theta plus 1 minus 1 you can cancel. Or no?
This 2 you're saying,
Sec
or
theta plus 1 and cross multiplication wise sec theta minus 1.
no.
So can
This
you cancel both of those?
Here we are not doing cross multiplication. This is multiplying this fraction with
Yeah,
this
we're not
fraction.
doing cross multiplication, but can like the cross multiplication, can we cancel it out?
From the
I was
numerator
saying
and
in that direction, not cross multiplication.
in this direction.
Yeah, like those two can be cancelled because that is like theta plus 1 and this is like theta minus 1.
No, you cannot. You cannot cancel. Why? Because the signs are different. This is plus and this is minus.
So different signs only you can cancel it.
No. Different sign when they are on the same line. If they are only in the numerator. If it is only in the numerator and the signs are different, then you can cancel. This is 1 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. Signs are different. You cannot cancel. Okay, but here you multiply numerator with numerator. So this becomes sec theta plus 1 into sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta into sec theta minus 1. Now, if you see the numerator is of the form a plus b, a minus b. So this becomes a square, that is sec square theta, minus b square, that is 1 square, upon the denominator, write it as it is. Tan theta into sec theta minus 1. Now you know the second trigonometric identity, 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. Take plus 1 on the other side, so this will become tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. So you know what the numerator will change to now. So the numerator will become sec square theta minus 1 upon tan theta into sec theta minus 1. And now here you use this formula. So sec square theta minus 1 will become tan square theta upon denominator as it is. So tan theta into sec theta minus 1. Now, from the denominator,
1 tan theta and 1 tan theta.
cancelled. And finally, you're
So that
left
will
with
give you tan theta upon
tan
sec
theta
theta
upon
minus 1.
sec theta minus 1, which is equal to your left-hand side. And you can say, hence proved. You understood this last part?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, this is a really lengthy sum, so that's why I did it in parts.
Can you show me the entire sum?
I think it will be too small. Can you see? 1
I'll
minute.
just take it to the right. No, the entire sum.
It's too small, but can you see it? But
Yeah, I can. 1 second. I just have to write the last part, right? What do I have to write? I have found
yes,
denominator.
yes, you just have to write this part. I'll show you.
Okay. No.
This,
I have
this.
already made it big. You don't.
Oh, okay. Wait. I zoomed out. 1 second. Yeah.
Just take it a bit up.
Still more up.
Up, not smaller.
Okay, 1 minute.
Yeah. That bar is coming in the middle.
Oh, wait, I'll remove it. How about now?
Yeah. 1 second. I'll have to continue on the next page.
Yes. Do you have a class now?
Yeah, I have a class in 10 minutes.
Okay. So we'll stop here. There is one more method of doing this sum. One more method is there. I'll show you that method also next class. Tomorrow. Okay. Should I stop screen share?
No, I've not written anything, right?
Okay.
The last part after
Last
the
part. Yeah.
denominator.
I thought you are taking a screenshot.
Done. For 1 hour and 10 minutes, we were doing this one.
Yeah, this summer is very lengthy. Okay.
You are going to do what problems in this
Yes.
chapter?
Yes, I think we should do word problem. So your homework will be practice the sum again. And have you practiced the remaining sums again? Other sums? Have you done it?
Yeah,
You have
yeah.
done it, huh? Okay.
I
So this,
also do the I also do those formulas, but only thing is that I do it in pencil. So when you give me the homework, I have to again do it in pen. So
oh,
that is
okay.
why.
Okay. So this sum you practice again and try practicing. Start first few sums of problem set. Start practicing those.
Yeah, I've done them in the classwork book of mine in the school, so I'll see from there.
Okay. If you have any doubts in those, you can ask me tomorrow. We'll do that. And we'll do the word problems also, we will do.
Okay.
Or you want me to do it later on? How you wanted to tell? Because I don't want to skip that.
No, because even our school has not told us clearly whether they're skipping it or not. They just said that they're very lengthy, so we will
Yes,
decide.
yes, it is very lengthy. It is. It's just that you already know concept of trigonometry, so it is better if we continue that rather than doing it later.
Even our school has told us that they'll do the slope thing later on, but then till the time they come to that, I don't know how many people will be remembering.
Yeah, that is why. That is why. So I'll continue with problems then.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay then. See you tomorrow. Practice the sum which we did today.
Anything homework like that I'll do, but like anything else.
Problem set. First few sums, try it. Of
Okay.
proof. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.